Hello guys, welcome to a new video, and today we will talk about SendInBlue.com. So guys, SendInBlue.com is a website which is like an eye candy for you. So with the help of SendInBlue.com, what you have to do is guys, like you can create automated emails and etc, and you can design them and send them to your recipients. So features of SendInBlue are guys like email marketing, SMS marketing, WhatsApp campaign, landing pages, Facebook ads, sign up forms, etc. etc. Sales CRM, chat, transactional email API, etc. So to use SendInBlue.com guys, just follow me. Now select sign up free, and this is like your email and password. You have to write your email and enter your password and then click on create account. You can either create your account with Apple or with Google. For me, I will just create the account with Google. So first name, you have to like add your first name, last name, company name, and just click on next. Here you have to add your address, zip code, city, and country. Okay, so that's now you have to add your like business size. So 2 to 10 employees, how many contacts do you have? 1 to 300. Do you sell online? Yes. And then just tick this, and then so you have to now add your like phone number here, and this will send a verification code that you have to enter. So these are like the plans of SendInBlue.com with free and starter, business, and enterprise plans. With free, you are getting 300 mails daily, customizable email templates, and drag and drop editor, transactional emails, SMS, and WhatsApp campaign. With this, you are getting like 20k emails per month, no daily sending limit, no sending logo, basic reporting analytics. With business plan, what you're getting is from 20k emails per month, marketing automation, A/B testing, advanced statistics, center optimization, multi-user access, phone support. And with enterprise plan, you are getting like enterprise grade security, advanced integrations, of account management, tailored onboarding, personalized account, and flexible contract. For me, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna just select the free one and then continue with the free plan. So guys, this is your dashboard, and here it is, so it and here it is showing this like this much big, but it can show like much more things for you. Like here it can actually show you like pie charts or etc for you. So here you can go and check the email template statistics, settings, and etc. But what we want to do is we want to create a campaign, and then from here you can like select email, and this will like come, you can select A/B test or regular for a campaign name, let's say thank by YT, and then click on campaign. So what next you have to do is you have to select from. You can add like from, and you can add to, let's say from me, save to, I'll just edit later. You can add subject, let's say subject line subscribe to my, and preview text is SUB, and then just click on save. What you can do is you can go to advanced settings and edit settings as well, but for me I'm just gonna go to design email and finish the work early. So what you can do is you can go to like layouts, default templates, and a product, and a story, register for an event, start from scratch, simple, etc. Or you can just simply go to my templates or template gallery and just pick any one of them randomly and then work with that. So here it is. What I can do is that you can just select this one because this looks good, and this is like sale. And so let's just start with our like editing. So what we have in like options, guys, is text, title, text, image, button, logo, social, HTML, payment link, style 1, style 2, style 3, header with logo, divider, navigation, footer, etc., etc. So what you can do, guys, here is that you can go to here and then like select the text, and then you can enter your own text like this. You can edit anything like in the image, and let's say that here this is an image and you want to change it, so you have to just go to here and then click on replace and replace the photo from your uploaded photos from your PC. If you don't have any uploaded photos from your PC, just click on upload and upload some photos to your SendInBlue.com, and then you can add them. To change images from here, you can go to this, select this, and then you can directly like click on that replace image, and then you can replace it. It's just the way I told you before. Now you can actually like edit text. For example, let's say you want to write something that you want here, so you will just select it, put your cursor there, and then just edit your text just according to you. Now you can also message the text. Let's say you will just select this, and then you can go to like okay, so you can like select this, and then like this you can edit any kind of text. Let's say you want to add your own title, so what you're gonna do is select title and then drag it here. And now what you have to do is like you have write your own title. Let's say what's up. And now what I can do is, guys, I can just go here and then align it like this, or like this to like make it in like middle, and this to select the length height. So what I can do is I can also select the size of the text like this. This is the next not actually a nice size, so I'll just select 28 and first this, and then I will select 28 or 18 or like 26. That's it. What I can also do is I can also change the color of the text, and I can also like message these texts. So that's it, guys. That's how you do all these things in this uh, SendInBlue.com. You can add your logo, your social media, and your buttons, and etc. etc. Your HTML file, payment link, etc. etc. For what you have to do is you have to just simply just select it and drag it and paste your URL, and that's pretty much how you can do it. So that's it, guys. You have to just now click on save and quit. And then you have to add recipient, so you can add you own as a recipient, and then just you can either schedule it or you can just save and quit. And that's it, guys. That's the tutorial for SendInBlue.com. If you guys think that you want to know something more about SendInBlue.com or anything else, you can just comment down, and please don't forget to like and subscribe and share to my channel and the video.